Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on how you can increase your credit score with this credit hack by 100 points within 10 days. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, I have an upcoming webinar where I'm going to show you how to remove negative items off your credit report, increase your credit score by an additional 100 points, and I'm going to be answering your credit questions live. So if you want to check that out, along with what I'm going to show you today with Boom, I'm going to leave the links in the description of the video and the pinned comment section. So let's jump into it. Now, Boom is a rent reporting service. And what's great about it, this one reports to all three major credit bureaus. So it can help you build payment history and improve your payment history by reporting the last 24 months of on-time rent payments. Now with Boom, the great part is you don't have to go through your landlord in order to do so. And this service is very reasonably priced. It costs you $2 per month to report your ongoing on-time rent payments, and it only costs you $25 in order to report your rent all the way up to, backdated to 24 months. Now, where this is going to help you, if you're a person with really troubled payment history, by reporting your past and ongoing rents, it's going to help balance out the negative payment history on your credit report. So when it comes down to payment history, they balance out the negative payments that you have and positive and come up with an average. And if you're not aware, negative payment history or payment history itself is 35% of your credit score, the largest part. So by adding on your rental payment history, it's going to also affect your age of credit. That is 15% of your credit score. So you can see some really positive changes in your score altogether. Now with Boom, as I mentioned, it reports to all three major credit bureaus. Sometimes you can't find trade lines like this to report to all three. They might just report to just two. But with Boom, they're going to help you across the board. It only takes 5 minutes to enroll, and they'll report the information within 10 days to the credit bureaus on average. So you can affect your credit score positively within the span of 10 days, which is like 2 weeks. Now, one thing when you establish with Boom, it has an objective to help you in a couple of different areas. So by one, establishing credit, reporting rental payments will help consumers that have a thin credit file. Also, credit card payments, rental screening, and car loans. And even if you're going to look for a mortgage, it's going to help because it'll show and establish payment history along the way. So these are some areas, if you guys are looking to achieve your goals, this can really help. Now, it is simple and affordable. There is a one-time $10 payment for the enrollment for their verification and cost. So you only have to pay that one time. But if you opt to report your monthly ongoing payments, that is only $2. And if you want the best effect on your credit report and score for the maximum, you want to go with the pass reporting for $25. Now, in order to qualify for Boom, you have to, one, have a valid rental agreement established within the last 24 months, a social security number, a bank account where you made the payments for your rent. So it doesn't require a lot. You can see an increase in your credit score from 5 to 100 points. But for the maximum 100 points, you do want to report at least that 24-month payment back history. And they will report it in approximately 10 days to your credit report. And what's wonderful, you don't need your landlord to get involved in order to do so. So if you already have a troubled relationship with your landlord, you don't need them to be involved in order to get this service. So if you guys want to sign up, like I told you, I have the link right here in the pinned comment section and in the description of the video. And you can start building your good credit and affecting your credit score immediately. For those who have really troubled credit and a low credit score, you're going to see the most effect out of doing this by adding on this positive payment history. Now, here's a little tip. If you just moved out of your place, you can use 2 different leases. So don't worry about it to get the full 24 months to be added to your past payment history. So if you guys have any questions, put it in the comment section. But if you want personal questions, reach me at my website and I'll see you in the next video.